Let's start. So, out of 1 to 5, in all DevOps tools, how much do you rate yourself?
I can rate myself 3.5.
2.5. So on all or on everything, on cloud part, everything you rate yourself with 3.5.
In cloud part, it's not completed yet, so I can rate 3.
3. Okay. So
remaining in Jenkins, I can remaining part 3.5.
3.5. Okay. So from where you want me to start? Today?
I have preferred so far in AWS.
AWS.
Because I recently completed it.
Okay, fine. So could you please explain the VPC components? Like what are the required things in VPC?
Okay, sir. First, we have to create a private VPC, virtual private cloud in AWS.
Okay.
Then we have to create subnets in it.
Okay.
Subnets.
So how many types of subnets we have?
Public subnet, private subnet, 2 subnets.
Difference between private and public?
Public subnet is directly accessible to internet, but private subnet is not accessible on internet.
Okay.
Next, internet gateways. Route tables. NAT gateways.
Okay.
Here, internet gateways are used to help to connect subnets to directly into the internet. Outbound traffic, inbound traffic.
Okay.
Route tables are within the subnets. We have internet inbound traffic, outbound within the subnets.
Okay.
NAT gateways used to connect a private subnet to a public server or access for internet.
Fine. Here I have a question. How can we make a subnet as a public? How can we make a subnet as a private?
By adding removing internet gateway in the route table.
Okay. What is elastic IP?
Elastic IP is we can define our own IP. It does not change if we stop the instance or stop the instance.
Okay. So doesn't change the
elastic IP.
What happens when you say elastic IP release?
Elastic IP release, it is released from that instance, but it's not deleted.
Okay. Fine. So my question is, how do you create a VPC and then how do you create a subnet? What the parameter you use? So what is different between IPv4 and IPv6? I want to create a VPC in IPv4 and then subnet in IPv4. So please explain it. What is CIDR?
CIDR is we can make our own IP address range. That is IP address ranges. That is
IP address range. So how do you calculate the IPv4?
IPv4.
IPv4 is calculated by what power? Some power, right?
Okay. Power 2.
2 to the power?
2 to the power 16 or 30.
16?
30?
32. Yes.
32 or 24.
32. So if your VPC is something by 16.
Then we can have
32 minus 16. How much?
16.
Okay. In this case, how many IP addresses you are going to get?
The 65,000 cents.
Okay.
596.
Okay. What about subnet now?
Subnets are, we have to create by 24 by. Then 256 IPs generated by.
Do we really going to get the 256 or only 251?
Only 251 are usable.
Okay.
5 are reserved.
For whom? What are the purpose of 5 years reserved by?
One is live web hosting, live telecasting or something.
Okay.
Then other two IP addresses for future purpose.
Okay.
Other two are, I don't know.
Okay. How many classes we have in IPv4?
Classes.
Okay.
3 classes.
3 or 5?
IPv4. 3 I think.
3. What are those? And what is the range of IP address?
range of IP address.
So a classes is divided at some range, right? I already told you the 0 to something, something to something is a class A, class B, class C, right?
I don't remember.
I didn't remember. Okay. So explain about the peering.
VPC peering. VPC peering, it is used for communication between two VPCs.
Okay.
It occurs when two organizations have different database and front end is in different VPCs. Then we have to create a VPC peering connection. Then they connect each other by VPC peering data sharing. So they can share data and they can access other resources in VPC in different different cities or in distant places from.
Okay. So both the VPC can share the data. That's what
Both
you're
VPC
saying. Yes.
can
Okay,
share
fine.
that.